Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a tag video. I am doing the Beauty Biography tag. I saw this video done through my beautiful YouTube friend Heather Austin, so I will link Heather's channel with her beauty biography. And I believe the tag originated from Ashley A. I hope I'm saying that right. I will link her channel as well. So I've never done a tag video before. I thought it would be fun to do and just to get to know me a little bit better through my beauty biography. So if you would like to see the questions that I answered, then just keep watching. Alright, so the first question is, what is your face shape? So face shape for me, I've always thought I had an oval face shape, so that is what I will answer it with, oval. The next question is, what is your eye shape? And for me, I have not only deep set, but uneven eyes. I see people with beautiful deep set eyes, and the shape is very symmetrical, and just when they apply eyeshadow, it looks really pretty. Mine are uneven and deep set, and it's only been in the last few months that I've really figured out my eye shape and where I should be applying shadow, and I've done a few videos on that, so I'm so pleased with how well I've been able to apply my makeup and kind of conceal the imperfections. So I will link my deep set eye shadow video below for you guys if you struggle with eyeshadow as well. So yeah, deep set uneven eyes, but now I've figured out how to apply eyeshadow to them, and I love eyeshadow now. So the next question is, what is your skin's undertone? And for me, I think my skin's undertone is more neutral to cool. My hair color is very ashy. My natural color is ashy. I have an ashy blue eye. I wear a lot of self-tanner and bronzers, which gives the appearance of having a warmer undertone, but I think I'm more on the cooler to neutral side for my skin's undertone. So the next question is, what is your best foundation match? And I think for me, when I don't have a tan from the regular sun and self-tanner, it is the Forever Skin Glow from Dior in 2N. It also has the Skin True Perfection, the beautifying pigment, adjust your skin's undertones. So I'll put that on, and then as it oxidizes, it will just kind of blend into my skin really beautifully. And I also I love the Catrice foundation. That's not a secret. I use it all the time in my videos. So in natural beige, I find that when I have a little bit of a tan and when I'm wearing my self tanner, that matches up so beautifully. So the next question is, what is your skin type? And I think my skin type is just normal. I'm not too oily. I'm not overly dry. Yeah, I think it's just pretty much normal. I don't have sensitive skin. I can apply pretty much anything to it. I got a little breakout right now that I rarely get, but yeah, I think just normal, mildly combination. I can get oily in certain spots and a little dry here and there. All right, the next question is, what is your biggest skincare concern? For me, it would just be aging, I guess. Fine lines, wrinkles, crepey skin, loose skin. Yeah, that is where I would see my concerns. I like to invest more in my skin, in treatments and skincare products over makeup, over clothing, over anything. So keeping my skin as youthful as possible is definitely my biggest skincare concern. The next question is, what is your hair type? So my hair type is fine, but I have lots of it. I feel like that's a lot of people's description of their hair is it's fine, but I have lots of it. My natural color is probably a level 7 ashy natural color. My hair is very strong. I can bleach my hair out numerous times and it will not fall out. My hair is also resistant when I'm coloring it, so it's almost like the color will just sit on top of my hair. It's not porous, it doesn't deposit very well. So when I go dark, I usually do it a couple times, and there's a car going by, it's really loud. When I tone my hair, I like to leave it on a little bit longer just so it absorbs into my hair. All right, the next question is, what is your biggest hair care concern? It's kind of funny seeing hair questions because that is what I used to do before I had kids. I was a hairstylist. That is how I met my husband. He was a hairstylist. His whole family are like pretty much in the hair industry, so it's just kind of funny to see hair questions. I don't have any major concerns. I can take care of my hair at home. I can cut it, color it, do everything that I need to do to it, and if I needed my husband to do something, he could do that as well. So just dry, damaged hair, and I have access to any kind of hair treatment that I need. So I love anything by Joico. The Revitalux series is really good for damage. The Blonde Life series is so good for blonde hair. So anything by Joico, their deep conditioning, I stick to for that for my hair care concerns. All right, the next question is, what is your preferred foundation coverage? So when I started YouTube, I didn't ever even wear foundation. I always just wore a tinted moisturizer, or my sunscreen tinted moisturizer. That was a foundation for me. So I've always kind of been more on the lighter side for preference. I don't mind anything that is medium. I'm liking a little bit more coverage now as I'm getting a little older, so I would say light to medium coverage is my preferred foundation coverage. All right, the next question is, what is your preferred foundation finish? So I think if I could choose one right now, I think I would say a satin finish. In between matte and in between glowy, dewy finish. I think I would, in this moment, prefer a satin finish. If I wanted to add a little bit more glow to my skin, I could go in with a setting spray that has glow to it, or highlighter, and I guess if I was wearing something really dewy, I could always just add a pressed powder to kind of smooth that out. So I will go with satin finish. All right, do you prefer a natural or bold brow? What is this? Is it bold? I think it's more natural. I think a natural brow, like that looks kind of fluffy. I like them a little fuller than my natural brows, but I think more of a natural brow I prefer. All right, the next question is, do you wear false lashes? Nope, I don't wear false lashes. I haven't worn false lashes probably since maybe a wedding in my 20s, like probably like 10, 15 years ago since I've worn false lashes. I have more of naturally longer eyelash, like I have a lot of eyelash, so I don't really fuss with that. I was using Latisse, loved that. My lashes got a lot longer. I need to get some more of that because that worked really well. So I think for me, I know I don't wear false lashes, and I would just stick with my Latisse lash serum. And the last question is, what feature do you most often accentuate with your makeup? I think I would go with cheekbones. Cheekbones, contour, blush, highlighter. I think that's like the part of my face I would accentuate the most. I don't often wear eyeshadow. I guess my eyebrows are quite a bit thinner than this, but I think for me it would definitely be my cheekbones. And these are natural. These are natural cheekbones. Other things that aren't natural, but my cheekbones are natural, and that is what I accentuate the most often with makeup. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and learning a little bit more about me through the beauty biography. It was really fun to do. I am looking forward to doing more tag videos for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.